This is SMO Junior 2025, question 15. We are given that x equals the square root of 2026 plus 2, and we are asked to find the value of x cubed minus 3 plus the square root of 2026 times x squared plus 1 plus 2 times square root of 2026 times x minus square root of 2026. Let's simplify the entire expression step by step. Factor the expression using grouping. We rewrite it as x squared times x minus 3 minus square root of 2026 plus x times 1 plus 2 times square root of 2026, then subtract the square root of 2026. Now substitute x equals the square root of 2026 plus 2. So the first term becomes x squared times -1. Next, simplify the second term, x times 1 plus 2 times square root of 2026. That's just square root of 2026 plus 2 times 1 equals square root of 2026 plus 2 plus square root of 2026 plus 2 times 2, square root of 2026. Everything cancels out nicely except -2. So the full expression evaluates to 2026 minus 2 equals 2024. Final answer, 2024. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SMO Junior solutions. See you in the next one.